bad luck guys. I was changing the memory card और memory card मेरे को मिल नहीं रही है. मैं 1.5 घंटे से यहाँ पे सर्च कर रहा हूँ. Hard luck. Come on boy, nobody to help. So guys, we are at the middle of Darcha to Shinkongla route and we have stopped because बहुत बर्फ है यहाँ पे. ये दिख रहा है आपको. तो अभी चेन डालना है, टायर प्रेशर कम करना है बाइक का. Crazy. That's Vijay Parmar's bike. This is mine. She is rocking. The other gang वहाँ पे है. चलो वहाँ जाते हैं. Shan, how are you feeling?
Very good. You got up very far.
Yeah. Hi man. Can I have some whatever you're having?
Yeah.
Desi protein bars.
Protein bars. Can you give me one more please? I need it desperately. Thank you. I'm sure my oxygen level must have gone down. What's your name?
Mine. Shivneet Singh.
Shivneet, and they are all the Rate the Himalayan gang.
Yep.
And we are reducing the tire pressure. And later we'll be putting the snow chains. Come on. If you need help, let me know. Huh? It started very smooth. चल और सैन के रेड टायर से क्या हुआ देखो, मेरी शक्ल देखो. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप?
मैं पदुम से.
पदुम से. हम लोग पदुम जा रहे हैं.
जी जी जी.
ये रास्ता चालू हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. तो है ठीक है, आराम से जाइए. टेक केयर. टेक केयर. आराम से जाइए.
वेलकम टू zanskar.
Yeah. So guys, we are at Zanskar Valley from the Darcha side. We are the second group. यहाँ के लोकल मनाली के कुछ लोकल बाइकर्स आए थे. But this is really awesome. With me is Abhi.
Hi guys.
He's from Chandigarh. And tell me, what do you feel about this?
Nothing man, it's just too exhilarating. It's snow all over and our heavy tigers, they are just skidding around like anything. So we're just putting chains on the bike tires, and the skillful riders, they'll try and cross it with the snow chains. If that doesn't happen, then we load all the bikes on the trailers. And
all the bikes, how can it possible?
Yeah, all the bikes. Yeah, then how can they move ahead?
And this baby is doing a killer job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Scrambler is like really nice, light bike, really powerful. You just stand and you just glide through the snow, man.
So it's happening, and we are
Yeah, it's
going to
happening.
Padum. Hopefully, we'll reach
But we are already
Shinku.
at an altitude
Yeah.
similar to Shingula, na?
Yeah, yeah. It's
15,
almost
15,400.
15,000
We are at
feet above the
15,400 right now.
sea level, and here it is. Wow. No, no. It's the second tourist vehicle going from coming from Padum. Super. Put the snow chain on it, and it's going smooth. Smooth. Snow chains are on. See, it makes a difference, correct? Yep. A jet flying above us. Aircraft. किसी VIP का होगा और हम यहाँ पे हैं. So guys, it's really beautiful and it's really difficult to do this trail. और स्नो में चलाना तो पता ही है आप लोगों को difficult है. And look at this beautiful place where we are waiting and enjoying the beautiful nature. This is Zanskar Valley. Let's have a bike beer. I love snow. I just love snow. Abhi is going with the rear tire with the chain. Here is JD. Slow, slow. Going front and rear tire with the chain. Riding street because on such trails and such climate we are 16,000 feet above the sea level. पानी पीते जा रहे हैं, deep breath कर रहे हैं और we are munching. वरना headache होगा अभी. Riding without chain. Okay. So guys, I'm without chain on Scrambler 1200 XC riding on Zanskar Valley. I'm so proud I'm doing this. Okay, actor. Be careful. So slowly I'm trying to go baby step. लगता है। Come on, boy. Nobody to help. Come on. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah. Last try. So guys, now I am here in Zanskar Valley. It's uphill. I've come till here. Okay, trying to ride this machine on off-road mode without snow chain. There's no snow chain out here. मैं क्या हो गया, गलती क्या की मैंने यहाँ पे जब आया ना तो मेरा पैर है ना इसमें फंस रहा था. I was not getting the support. The slow down होने में my bike got switch off. Once the momentum is gone, then you can't ride. But I'm happy. I'm trying this. It's nice. And it's rocking! Look at this place. Woo! नहीं, मुझे ना सुनो मुझे इसमें डालना है, इसमें. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ यहाँ का ये निकालो ना, स्नो यहाँ का. चलो क्या ये यहाँ पे लाना है. सिर्फ उसको सीधी कर दो बस. खींचो पीछे 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 पीछे. हाँ हाँ निकल गई. तक आप थोड़ा ऊपर ले लो, मैं धक्का मत थक गया हूँ. यहाँ पे रहने दो. चलो आप. थैंक यू. ठीक है चलता हूँ. चलो आगे नंबर. नहीं यार. Come on, you can do it, Akhtar, you can do it. Like, come on, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, come on. Come on, push it. Salute to you, boy. No road in Darcha. Shinkulapass, I've done it! I've crossed the snow without chain. Oh, so proud to do this. Whoa. Shinkulapass with the wanderer. Proud of you, Akhtar! Come on, boy. Okay. Better to be on the left hand side so that अगर मैं गिर भी गया तो मैं यहाँ पे गिरूँगा रास्ते पे. I don't want to make it sound like, oh, I've done a crazy job or arrogant, but I'm really proud to see myself crossing Zanskar Valley in snow on a Scrambler 1200 XC without snow check, and I'm really happy. So there are 3 bikes, 2 tigers, 1 scrambler, and 3 tigers were loaded. And पुनीत जी बोले कि मैंने कुछ रिकॉर्ड बना दिया.
हाँ, रिकॉर्ड विदाउट चेंज
In Zanskar Valley. How are you feeling?
ओके.
You're feeling okay?